All right, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Ike Akimola speaking. So let's address those that are having issues with not being able to file annual return, especially for business names. So a lot of people have been sending me DMs. I can't file annual return. I've been trying to file annual return for some times now, and once I put in the name disappears, or it doesn't bring up the name, or I'm putting it up in post incorporation and I can't file the annual return, or they can't carry out any other process, right, for post incorporation for business name, most importantly. So let me walk you through how that is going to be resolved. It's going to be a simple walkthrough. So the first thing you need to do understand is that the platform has changed, right, and that this particular change is affecting post incorporation processes majorly, and not a lot of people would know that. Even myself, I rejected a lot of jobs, right, before I got to find out, oh, so this thing has been here and this can be sorted this way. You understand? So it took a while. So this is what you need to do. Is simple. Once you get it, you can, but only that I'll talk about that later. But the first thing is this: go to the post incorporation portal. So once you log into your normal account, once you're done logging in, the first thing you need to do is go. You can see the pre-incorporation processes and the post-incorporation processes. So you click on the post-incorporation on the middle. I think it's in the middle side or whatever it is. I'll try and put a screenshot if I can edit this video. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do is simply go ahead and click on the you see two options will pop up. Those two options will contain the details of, you see other entities and you see business name. Okay, business name processes is the first option and other entities is the second option, right? Business name processes is the first option, while the second option is the other entities. So for the business name processes, that means that you can no longer do business name processes and company processes in the same place. Do you get that? So you cannot do business name processes and company registration or other entity processes in the same portion of the portal. So you will notice that when you click on other entities, it will take you to the usual portal, like the way the portal used to be before. That's what you'll be seeing on the portal, right? Once you click on other entities, it's showing you the normal portal. So, but when you put business name details, it will not even load up at all, right? When you put the business name details, it will not load up at all. So that is an issue and it has been resolved. So what you need to do now is go to the business name processes part. Once you type in a business name, now listen to this. This is very important. That's what I wanted to say the other time, and I felt I should, talk about it now. You must make sure that you should must understand that not all business name are showing. I believe that they are, downloading business details to that particular portal. That particular portal looks new. You see that it's showing up like a search portal, right? This new business name processes portal is showing up like a search portal. I'll put the screenshot if I can too. If I can't, but I believe you guys get what I'm saying. So it's going to show up as the business name, as if you are doing a name search. So once that is done and completed, the next thing you want to do is, if you're lucky, some business names are showing. Like me myself now, we got some jobs. Some of the jobs we got, we searched for them, we saw them. Some you search for it, you will not see it. And the way it works is that sometimes you must go and confirm the exact name on the search portal before you come and type in those names on the business name processes for post incorporation. I don't know if I'm making sense. So maybe when I'm settled, after my, I'm not currently in my workspace. Once I get to the workspace, we can make a proper walkthrough video. So once that is done, then you can go ahead and carry out your annual return processes, change of proprietor, download of certificate and everything. But a disclaimer here, I've noticed that payments are not going through once. I don't know why that is the case, and that's one of the issues I am not happy with the CAC. I've made several payments for a process, and it doesn't go through once. I have to make multiple payments before it's later, and we can't be wasting money. It doesn't make sense. So I hope CAC will resolve this as soon as possible. So, but I believe I've been able to help you see the new development in the business name processes and the other entities with the Corporate Affairs Commission, right? So, if this video has helped you, why have you not yet subscribed to the channel? I don't know what you are waiting for, what's delaying you, right? So give this video a thumbs up and make sure you click on the notification bell so that I can get notified whenever I release contents like this. My name is Akimola. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.